Is it time to buy or sell N2OFF stock? In this video, we are diving deep into N2OFF. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 26, 2024, our system has categorized N2OFF as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance over this time frame. During this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, reflecting a remarkable gain of 904.95% since we first recommended purchasing N2OFF 6 days ago. This results in an average return of 150.82% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the latest developments, we find ourselves unable to predict the stock's next movement, as it could take either direction. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 10.92% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 91.26% to 10.92%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of negative 39.60% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 100% and negative 39.60%. This results in a price range from $0 to $1.59 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for N2OFF includes the headline, Significant Movements in N2OFF Inc. Stock Price on Friday, fluctuating 74% between high and low. The N2OFF Inc. stock price increased 146.73% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 3rd of January 2025, rising from $1.07 to $2.64. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 74%, ranging from a low of $2 to a high of $3.48. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and has increased by 1,489.4% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 240 million shares, with a total of 356 million shares traded for approximately $939,260,000. It's important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence, serving as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $3.48, while the lowest was 16.3 cents. Currently, the price is 24.14% or 84 cents below the 52-week high, and 94.49% or $45.24 below the all-time high recorded on August 12, 2022, when the price peaked at $47.88. N2OFF, trading under the ticker NITO, recently made headlines with 2 significant developments that could greatly influence its stock performance. On the 3rd of January, 2025, N2OFF and Solterra Brand Services Italy entered into a binding letter of intent to develop 2 major battery storage projects in Sicily, amounting to a total of 196 megawatts. N2OFF will possess a 70% stake in these projects, thereby reinforcing its presence in the growing European energy storage market. Furthermore, on the 2nd of January, they announced a joint venture approval for a 111-megawatt solar photovoltaic project in Melz, Germany. This approval from local authorities marks an essential milestone in expanding N2OFF's renewable energy portfolio. The timing of these announcements indicates a promising growth trajectory, likely drawing investor interest and positively impacting stock prices. In the short term, these developments may foster increased investor confidence, potentially raising the share price as more capital flows into NITO. Over the long term, the successful execution of these projects could lead to significant revenue growth, solidifying N2OFF's role as a pivotal player in the clean tech sector and further enhancing its valuation in a market that increasingly emphasizes sustainable energy solutions. Analysts have assigned the stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for N2 off. N2 off. Incorporated stock exhibits buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, there will be support from the levels at 0.707 and 0.306. A decline below any of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, December 18, 2024, and so far the stock has risen by 1,489.4%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also noted from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Despite the rise in prices, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, this stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal received. Pivots, buy signal noted 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal observed 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal identified 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal registered 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 5 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, buy signal recognized 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal detected 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for N2 off. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the next few days. This stock is likely to experience significant movement during the day, characterized by high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $1.48 between its high and low, representing a change of 74%. In the past week, the stock's average daily volatility has been 88.13%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for N2 off, let's quickly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is facing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often influenced by factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could indicate potential bankruptcy risks. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for N2 off. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, consider entering a position and using volume to guide your exit strategy. Similarly, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and think twice before placing bets unless you are an experienced trader capable of navigating such situations. The combined average rating for N2 off from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 23rd of December, 2024, Rosenblum Ronen conducted an insider purchase of 50,000 shares of restricted common stock. On the same day, Itzhak Asaf made an insider purchase of 50,000 shares of restricted common stock. Also on that day, Kalafi Udi Ovadia conducted an insider purchase of 50,000 shares of restricted common stock. Additionally, Weiss Amate made an insider purchase of 350,000 shares of restricted common stock. Lastly, on the same date, Berenstein Israel Yaakov conducted an insider purchase of 50,000 shares of restricted common stock. Based on the 9 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be positive, with a ratio of 98.406. In total, insiders purchased 1,130,000 shares and sold none in these 9 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $2.57. representing a decrease of 2.58%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. The relative strength index, measured over a 14-day period, stands at 96, further amplifying that risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 10 days ago. Is N2 stock a good buy? N2 Inc. presents several positive indicators, yet we do not deem these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this moment. Currently, it is better viewed as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate shares while we await further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, the 6th of January, we anticipate N2 to open at approximately 6,670 cents and begin trading around $2.71. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important that you do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.